Chicken 65 is a legendary dish in modern Indian cuisine. A South Indian specialty that's crispy, juicy, fried chicken pieces and packs a fiery punch. Today on Anna Roshmita, we will show you how to whip it up this irresistible appetizer in no time. Let's get started with marinating our chicken. We are using small bone-in chicken pieces for extra flavor, but boneless pieces work just as well. In a mixing bowl, add ginger paste, garlic paste, half a cup of yogurt, chopped curry leaves, roasted cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder for that signature vibrant red color, and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly, ensuring every piece is coated with this bold aromatic blend of spices. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to soak up all the flavors. After marination, sprinkle in black pepper powder for added heat and rice flour to create a crunchy outer coating. Mix again until the flour clings to the chicken, absorbing any excess moisture that may have released when we added salt to our chicken. Now our chicken pieces are ready to be fried. Heat the refined oil on a deep kadhai or a pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully slide the chicken pieces into the oil. Fry on high heat for the first 30 seconds to set the coating. Then lower the heat to medium and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown and fully cooked. Once done, take it off the oil and drain the excess oil in the kadhai. Now finally we will temper these chicken pieces for the final flavor boost. In a separate pan, heat some oil, then add chopped garlic and fry until it starts to take some color. Then add split green chilies and curry leaves and fry for a few seconds. Once this mixture is aromatic, toss in the fried chicken pieces and sprinkle some black pepper powder and chaat masala for the tangy kick. Give everything a quick toss so the chicken soaks up all the tempering. Your chicken 65 is now ready. Serve it hot with a squeeze of fresh lemon or simply enjoy it on its own. If this recipe made your mouth water, don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy cooking!